How to change country on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open Spotify application. Then click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Go to settings and privacy. Then simply go to about section. There you will see the option of support. Simply click on it. After that, the support section of Spotify will open in a web browser. Scroll below and go to manage your account. Then account setting and go to change your country or region setting. You can simply change your country, but firstly you need to become a premium member on Spotify. Now I have a premium account, so I'll simply click on go to your account. Log in with your account details and go to edit profile. And now here you can simply change your country. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.